Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change a receiver's route or use hot routes in College Football 27. First, make sure you are using a passing play. Hot routes let you quickly change a player's assignment before the snap without selecting a new play. Once you are lined up, press the R3 button to open the pre-play menu. Then press triangle on PlayStation or Y on Xbox to bring up all of your eligible receivers. Next, press the button for the receiver you want to adjust. This can be a wide receiver, tight end or running back depending on the play. After selecting the player, you will see the available hot route options. The routes you can choose may vary based on the player's position and abilities. Simply use the right stick to select the route you want. For example, move the right stick to the left for a slant route or move it upward for a post route. You will also have access to other routes such as streaks, drags, curls, corners and crosses depending on the formation and player you have selected. Hot routes are a great way to make quick adjustment at the line of scrimmage and can help you take advantage of what the defense is showing you. And that's how to change a receiver's route or use hot routes in College Football 27. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.